if I go to more, you see that?
Where it says more. I do.
It's the same more, so it works the same way. So do you see my computer now in the
I
center?
do.
Okay, so now I'm going to more down here, 3 dots.
See, I knew it was operator error. I'm looking at it now. It doesn't show, I had to hover over it. So if anybody else is having the same issue, I had to bring my cursor down to the bottom and then it all pops up. So I see
Okay.
it.
So when I
Thank
click
you.
more, now I have these choices. Participants. Participants helps me see all my participants. Invite lets me invite somebody to this meeting. When I click invite, it actually shows me what the ID number is. It even copies an invitation that you could email to somebody. You can't see it here, but you have to go to your Gmail or your Yahoo or something and paste that invitation. Or it gives you a link, copy invite link. Either way, you can send these things to a person that you're inviting to the meeting. That's the purpose of invite. So we go back and we see chat. That's the chat box. Pause or stop the recording. Polls and breakout rooms. I want to show you those real quick. But just know with the paid account, you can actually go live on Facebook. So if I click live on Facebook right now, we'd be live on Facebook or live on YouTube. All right. Now, last couple of things. Is I wrote everything down this time so I didn't forget anything. Also, when you're doing a presentation, those 3 dots says more helps you to, one of the things you don't see right now when you click more is it says hide floating meeting controls. Hide floating meeting controls. Because when you share your screen, these controls down here at the bottom, in other words, these controls here at the bottom usually go to the top when you share your screen. And they often get in your way too. And if you click more, you'll see that you won't see it here because they don't need to be hidden. But when you share your screen, they sometimes need to be hidden. And to unhide them, all you do is hit escape, ESC on your keyboard, and it'll show them again. But a person won't see it. It's just in your way when you're doing your presentation. Okay. Now, here's your bonus for Zoom. Again, this is for paid accounts. I want you to know about it because you may want to get one. And the reason is because you will be doing things later. You will be doing things. See what happens when we go all over the world, all over the country, and then not with just Akana, anything that you're doing in your own life. You may want to do a poll. And so you saw, I just said it said polls, or you may want to do a breakout room. And that's the same way you do where you put people in different rooms and it's, hey, it gets really fun. So let's do the polls first. Okay, so, oh, I need to show you this way so you can see me do this. Okay, so I'm clicking polls. There are no polls created. Okay, so I'm gonna go, oh, okay, I gotta go, don't need this. So to create, clear up, to create the polls, you have to go to your Zoom account. And let's close all of this other stuff. Don't save that. All right. So I'm going to Zoom. And I'm clicking meetings and polls. And it says, this page is no longer available, go to surveys. That's something that Zoom has changed. So I'm clicking surveys. Now, so there are no polls here. So I'm going to create a poll, okay? Create and create. And they're different ones. Hold on, let me get my notes because I already wrote it down. Okay, so this, when you create the poll, so you have choices. Single choice, skip the tour. Single choice, multiple choice, matching, rank order, short answer, long answer, fill in the blank. So let's create some polls, and then I want you to experience the polls so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to say single choice. I'm going to call this poll single choice. And I create a question. And this is for your audience, especially great for your team. You're meeting with your team, and you want to know what they thought about something, or if they were listening. What is the name of this? Well, no, let's not do that. Are you learning today? Choice one is yes. Choice two is no. Choice three is undecided. I just made these up, okay? And then in the top right-hand corner, it says save. Okay, so that's that one. Let's hide the video back. Let's create another one. Create. This time we're going to make it multiple choice. What is important to you? My health, my mental. I'm gonna add another choice. My weight. And I'll add one more. My family. Or I'm gonna add one more. Nothing. Nothing. And I'm calling this poll multiple choice. That's that way, so I'll know what it is when we start looking at the polls. Save that one. These are the new features that Zoom has just given us, because we used to just have these two features, but now they've got single choice, multiple choice, matching. Okay, let's do matching. Okay, so we're going to call this matching, T-C-H-I-N-G, and matching, T-C-H-I-N-G. So I'm going to put, I want you to match the CEO. Okay, come on. CEO, CSO, COO, add another choice, CMO, right? My answers are CHYLLIS, put them out of order. CHRISTIAN, MELISSA. Add another answer. Scott. Save that. Okay, one more, or two more, I think it is. This one is going to be rank order. I forgot how to do this one. Rank order, what was it? The question is rank this training. Okay, this is called rank. Oh, no, that's what I remember now. What's most important?
Dr. Ross, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I can't see you anymore. I said show on the black screen.
Yeah, I'm here. I see it on my other device. Maybe go out and come back in. Can everybody else see it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Dr. Oz, yes.
Education, training, customer support, and your columns would be excellent, good, poor. Save that. And then the last one, just to show you how all these work. Short answer, long answer, those are kind of simple. You just put a short answer and a long answer. Let's do, there should have been one more up here, rating, and I don't see it. Oh, there it is, rating scale. There it is. How is this training? On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being unnecessary. Did I spell that right? Is it 1 N or 2? How do you spell unnecessary? It's 2 N's, isn't it? Somebody tell me. Unnecessary. Yeah, I think it's 2 N's.
Yeah.
Looks like you've got two C's and you should probably only have one. Nah. How do you spell necessary?
Yes.
What was that? 1 C?
Mm-hmm.
I believe so.
Okay. Knew something was wrong. The unnecessary rating scale. Save that. All right. So here we go. We got all these we just made up. What was this one? I didn't give it a name. This was what? Oh, that I didn't give it a name. Okay. So this is rating. Save that. Okay. So now I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back to polls. And now I got some polls listed. Bam, bam, bam. See there, they're all there. You got you with your team, or you with whomever, or you're doing a presentation about anything else. Okay. And every poll that I created is right there. Now, let me let you experience the polls, because some of you may have never experienced a poll in a Zoom. and it requires you to do something. So are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to, oh, I gotta show you this first. When you're ready to do a poll, so I'm gonna click this single choice first, and as you see, it says launch. If I were doing this one, it says launch. Third one, launch. Each one of them, I put my cursor on it and it says launch. And once I launch it, I can edit it or duplicate it or delete it. And we'll delete all these once we're done. But now, let's do it. And then we'll be done for today. So I'm gonna launch the single choice first, launch it. And now you should see something on your screen and you have to respond. And it's letting me know as you do it, it's telling me how many people have responded. It says 5 of 5, 6 of 6. Everybody's not responding. It'll let you know if 100% of the people answer. Everybody doesn't have to answer. But right now, 7 of 7 people have answered. 38% participation. And we've got 20 people on here. So, but I just, bam. Okay, so some of you are not either responding or you're just moving kind of slow, but I just want to show you how that looks. Okay, so I'm going to end the poll. And it allows me, now this is what I see on my side. See, it showed me 10 of 18 people responded, 55% participation before I cut it off. 10 of 10 said yes. But guess what? It also says I can share the results. You have the option to do that. So if I share the results, now you see what I saw. No names. And you're doing it, anonymously. But 10 of 10, 10 of 18 people said yes. So now I stop sharing. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to the next poll, which was multiple choice. Launch it. Now you have to make remarks. What is important to you? And you have multiple choice. You can click as many of those as you want. And then click submit. So far, 8 people have responded, 42% participation. 9. And of course, when you're normally doing this, you can give people time to respond if they choose to, but it's not mandatory. It's just your way of getting feedback from people. Okay. So we pretty much got the same response. And then once I end the poll, again, I can share the results. And it shows you the percentage of how many people, more people said my health, next was my family, next was my mental, my wealth. Gives you feedback from your audience, okay? So I'll stop sharing, and I'm going back now, and I'm gonna do matching. So I'm launching matching. Now, you see on your screen, you got the CEO, and you got to select an answer. There's a drop-down box. And you got to choose the right name. And you may have to scroll up to see the 4th question if you don't see it. And then you got to click submit. This time we got 6, 7. We've been getting about 10%, 10 people participating.
I'm not getting my drop down. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? And how do you know which one should mine be showing red if I've completed it? Because I clicked on one and it
No,
responded.
the colors don't matter.
Hmm.
You just
Dr. Rock,
you have a drop, yes.
that's the first one that I've actually seen the answers on, the questions and the answer.
What kind of device are you using?
iPhone.
Yeah, you probably have to move something over to be able to see both. If you
I
don't see
tried.
it,
I tried that. It didn't work on this phone. I don't know if something's wrong with my phone. I've been having a lot of issues with it.
Huh. Can't tell if mine is responding or not.
and let me see if I can do it on my phone. I haven't done it on a phone, so
And when the drop down screen comes in, you make your choice and then you have to say done.
yeah.
All right.
Mine is not even given. It may just be my computer responding slowly. I don't know, but let's see. Yeah, no, mine pops up and then it disappears, so it won't let even stay long enough for me to respond.
Hmm.
Because again, I hadn't even done this on a phone to see $1 billion,
Hmm.
big, 20, 25.
Well, if I could have answered, I'd have had 100.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so I just did it on my phone. Oops, wait, let's see. And I see everything. I have to move the bottom part for the matching. Okay, let me end the poll for a second. I can't show you both these at the same time, but I did see it. I did see it on my phone. Let's go here, polls again. Let me relaunch that matching. Hold on, there we go. Matching. Relaunch this poll. Okay, so on my screen, okay, I might be able to, I can't show you, I can't do the poll and show you at the same time.
Okay, I see the poll, the matching, but it says 0 to 1 answer. It won't do anything if I'm, oh, there it is. But it's still the one I just sent. It's just that one.
Okay, so
You want us to do the poll again, Dr. Ross?
no, I'm just trying to see what you guys see on your phones. I see one CEO, and to the right, I see select answer. You don't have to do the poll again. Somebody tell me what you see on your phone.
I see the one CEO and the second one is the CSO. Phyllis and, oh, I got the wrong name. It should be Melissa.
Okay,
I
so
did do it again, Dr. Roz. I was just trying to see if I could figure out how to get it to work. So that one is probably me.
but you
Yep.
don't see, nobody sees select answer on your phone?
No,
I
and I'm on
do.
my computer.
I saw on the
I,
phone.
I see that one, but the other ones that you sent, all I would see would be the title and then one of 8 answers. And when I would try and slide it up, it would move. I think something's wrong with my phone.
I
Okay,
see it. It works for me. Once you tap on the drown dot that says select answer, you get a choice to pick of 4 answers, and then you have to hit done. in order for the answer to pop up in it.
Right.
It works-
That's
it works-
Right.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I
let's
don't know
try the
what's
last
going on
few
with mine.
and let's try rank. Let's try that one. See what you see on that one.
I see education.
Oh, you
Sure.
got to put,
So we have to do,
There's a box next to it with a little drop down arrowhead. Or maybe your Zoom is just blowing it off the screen or something.
yeah, I don't know what's going on with this thing.
But I see some of you are responding.
Can you tell who's responding or no?
No, I just see
Oh,
responses. That's why I
yeah,
said it's
because I'm
anonymous.
right, right. Yeah, because I don't know if mine is or not. I don't see any kind of options. When I hover, I get, training, excellent, good, poor. I clicked on excellent, but then it filled in all of my things are blue. All of these long lines are blue. Like
Well,
I clicked
that's
one
fine.
time.
You just
Okay.
got to do each one, education, training, and customer support. And when you hit submit, it's going through.
See, I don't have a submit button, so yeah, I can
Did you
just
it,
use
it
hover.
one?
says done. Mine says done, not submit. It says done. And then it
Yeah,
goes
after you
in.
do done, you got to hit
Right.
submit. After you do done for each one, there's a submit button at the bottom. If you can't see it, maybe scroll up.
Okay, can you put it up again? This so I can see it because I put it up again for me.
Say that again.
Can you put it up again? Because I did it, but I didn't see the submit. So I'll scroll up.
Relaunch. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay. Yeah, I did do it. I just forgot. I did it.
Yeah.
This
But
is
if you don't hit
great.
submit, if you don't hit submit, you haven't sent it in.
Okay.
Okay. So last one is rating. And all you do is press a number between 0 and 10.
I even got a little message that said survey submit. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't know it did that. Oh. So now how is this training? 0 is unnecessary. 10 is absolutely needed. Press a number and then hit submit.
10. Did I hit the wrong number? Thought I hit excellent. I don't know what I did.
So Dr. Ross, when you're on your phone, does the poll come up differently? Because I can't see the poll. I went from my computer to my phone because I'm headed to a meeting. Can't see the poll now.
Well,
I
it
answered your first 2 or 3
probably because you
polls.
came in the middle of it.
No, I saw the CSO poll. I can't see the poll that you're doing right now. So do I
But
need to
I'm,
do something different?
but I'm saying, did you switch to your phone before I
About 5 minutes
posted
ago.
it? But was it
Yes.
before I posted it or was it after I had already sent it up?
No, I switched to my phone just before you did the poll on my health, my wealth, and what's important. Because I answered both of those polls. I was on both my computer and my phone at that point. So I answered both polls, then I got off my computer. Now I'm on my phone, but I can't see your current poll. Do I have to switch to something or move it?
No.
Move my phone?
So let me relaunch it and see if you see it. Hold on,
Okay,
relaunching the poll.
there it is. I got it. Thank you.
So that's what I'm saying. You got in between before it hit. Some kind of way you were in between the time.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, because you don't have to do anything else. All right. So I'm going to end that poll. And that's polls, guys. That's polls. Oh, okay. My last thing is just to show you this, and we're really done. And that's breakout rooms. Breakout rooms is when you put people in rooms and you want them to talk to each other. So here we go. You go to and these are things you can play with, but they really enhance your experience on Zoom. We use breakout rooms. Corporate uses breakout rooms all the time. We've talked about using them before in one of our conferences, but we know people aren't used to using them. So now that I'm teaching it, maybe we'll be able to use it when we do a virtual conference. So we click breakout rooms, and it says create breakout rooms. You can assign automatically, or you can assign manually, or you can let participants choose their room. So just imagine if we had a conference and we had a room for training, and a room for Scott, a room for me, a room for COO, a room for Melissa, a room for Phyllis. And let's say if I did let participants choose the room, then you would choose which room you're going in. If I say assign automatically, then the system assigns it. So we're going to, we're going to include the co-host when assigning. And there are 18 participants. Oh no, that's if I create one room. It'll be 18 participants in one room. Well, that's not the reason. So we got 19 people here. So I'm going to create 4 rooms and let them assign it. Instead of putting y'all in rooms I want to put you in, I'm going to let the system just assign you to a room, and you respond to what comes on your screen. So I put these in this room, these in this room, and I'm going to open all the rooms. And now something pops on your screen to say join. And on my end, it shows me some people are joining the room, some people aren't. You got to click join on your screen to join the room. There are 2 people that didn't join room 1. There are 2 people that didn't join room 2.
Dr. Ross, I went in room 2 and then I came back out.
Okay, all right. So that's how you go to breakout rooms. So now I can close all the rooms, stay where you are, and I'm going to send a message to the rooms and saying, you're going to close in 60 seconds. Or you can leave right now. But if you were still talking in that room, you'd be trying to wind down and finish the conversation. Get
That
it
was nice.
done.
Fantastic, fantastic.
If you're saying like we do in corporate, you're saying, we're not through yet. We're not through yet. Oh God, we got to hurry up and finish talking. 60
I
seconds.
know. And wind down. It's 59 seconds. Time to go.
Right. All right.